And I am Pankaj Yadav. Today we have discussed about quantity. Quantity is the factor which is very important in physical world. Quantity can be can be divided into two types: fundamental quantity. Second is derived quantity. You have to know what is a fundamental quantity. Its name is already telling his meaning. Fundamental means constant. A quantity which is constant with respect to time is called a fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity is also known as a constant quantity. Why I am saying constant quantity? Because this term is not affected by the external effect. External thing cannot affect these quantity. That is why this is called a constant quantity. While we talking about derived quantity is the quantity which is depending on the another thing. That means a quantity which is affected by the other circumstances, any other element, the quantity which is called a derived quantity. In this segment we have discussed fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity we have discussed already. Now we have discussed about types of fundamental quantity. There are 7 types of fundamental quantity. First, mass. Second, length. Third, time. Fourth, current. Fifth, temperature. Sixth, luminous intensity. Fifth, seventh, mole. In this way we have discussed about these 7 elements. Okay. Now we have discussed about these 7 elements. Firstly, I am talking about mass. Basically, mass is not a weight. Weight is always calculated by the gravity. Mass is the individual weight of the person is called a mass. Suppose I am giving the example, we take a bowl which having a 25 kg mass. I am talking about iron bowl. It is not a normal bowl, it is a iron bowl. Iron bowl having a 25 kg mass. 25 kg mass. So in the respect of earth, its mass is 30 kg. But the exact value of the exact weight of the bowl is 25, is not change in any circumstances. Means it is when we take this bowl into the Mars, the mass is always same in the Mars, in the moon, in at any planet. The mass is always constant. That is why it is called a fundamental quantity. And this is the best example to understand what is a mass. Second thing, length. That means suppose I have a pen. This pen having a 2 meter length. Suppose 2 meter length. Its length is not change at any circumstances. Okay, when we take this pen into the Mars, at any place, the length is not change. This is also fundamental quantity, and we have to measure the length in meter and centimeter, and mass is measured in kg and gram. Third, time. Time you always know, time is not change. Okay, time is not change. Time can measure in second, hour, minute. Temperature can be measured Kelvin, degree Celsius, Fahrenheit. So it is a temperature. For luminous intensity. Sixth, mole. It is a chemistry term. We have discussed further video. Seventh and most important thing is current. Current may be measured as ampere. So thank you so much to see this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, and please share this video all over your friend, all of your colleagues and relatives. Thank you so much.